Hi, this is Promise Excel, and I'll be showing you how to design stunning graphics using Canva. Canva is a web app that you can use to design graphics for your social media posts, for your blog posts, for your ebook covers. You can design a whole lot of stuff using Canva. Instead of, if you don't know how to use Photoshop or other graphic design tools or softwares and application, you can easily design whatever you want to design using Canva. Canva is such a powerful tool. I use Canva to design all of my social media posts and my blog posts and whatever I want to design. I use Canva for my design. So without wasting much of your time, I'll show you how you can design stunning graphics, beautiful and professional graphics using Canva. So let's go straight to the point. Now you go to canva.com. So we are here already. Sorry for that. So all we need to do is to, now if you're a first-time user, what you need to do is to sign up using your Facebook, or you use your Google account. So or use your email to sign up with Canva. Now after signing up, you see a dashboard like this. Since I've been using Canva for almost all my graphics, like you can see right now, I use Canva to design all this. So these are my previous designs. So now let's go to more. Just click on more, and you can see all the templates there. Now the template for blog title, okay, this because I use Canva to design all my blog post and title. So this is why I have blog title as like a default here, so to say. Then Facebook post, your blog graphic. This one is for perhaps banner, ebook cover. This one if you want to create an advert of this shape on your website or blog. This one for Pinterest graphic, so you can see for your social media post. This for Twitter, just name it, anything you want to use it to design. Now for document, you can use it. I've used it to create a presentation before, slide presentation, so you can also use Canva for that, for your letterhead, for magazine cover. There's a whole lot of stuff you can do with Canva. Now you just have to go through them and see the one that matches what you want to do. So even for your Facebook ad, you can use Canva to design it, and there's a whole lot of stuff you can do with Canva. Okay, so let's go straight into the practical. So I'll use let me see the template that I want to use. Okay, let me see the social media posts. Now you see, if you can use this for your YouTube thumbnail. Now if the particular dimension you want is not here, you can equally use custom dimension. So you just put here, perhaps you need 300 by 300 pixel. Just click on design and it will take you to custom design. So that is that for that. But then most of the time I prefer using the ready-made template. So let's design something. Now I want to use this blog title template because that's what I'll be using for this particular blog post. There's going to be a video, but I'm going to create a short post and I'll post it on YouTube. So this is the graphic I'll use. So I'll design it and you get to know how to use Canva. Okay, we just wait for it to load completely. Okay, so now there are a lot of templates you could choose from. Now just look at the template. You have free. This one is free, while these ones are paid. So if you're before using it, you need to pay $1 or whatever the amount is. But then there are thousands, if not millions, of free template you could use. But if you think there's a particular one you like and it's paid and you have $1 to pay for it, fine. Then all you need to do is just click on it. Just click, you don't need to drag or anything, just click on it and you see the design up there. So with that you can now customize it to whatever you want. But then sometimes I prefer designing from scratch. So I prefer design from scratch. So let's go to elements. Now this place, free photos, is where you get free photos. Let's click on it and see. So instead of downloading pictures from YouTube or from Google or wherever, you can use free photos here to for your design. Then I'll come back to the free photo. Now this is great. So if you want to add some, maybe want to combine 3 pictures, 4 pictures, 5 pictures, you can use the template here. Then this one is for frames, of course, picture frames and all that. So now if you want to do some kind of design that requires frames, so you can use it. Then this one basically shapes in lines, illustrations, icons. You could get icons, then charts. Then this one is all about Canva logos. So this illustration, you can get beautiful beautiful illustrations from there, beautiful arts. Now you can see it. You can use this, you can use it for your design. Sometimes sometimes searching for a particular thing could be difficult, so you can search for it. Like, let's assume you're searching for Facebook icon, so you just say Facebook. You don't need to download Facebook icon. So as you can see, Facebook. So if your design involves adding some social media icons, you can use this. Even it has for Twitter, Pinterest, all those popular social media platforms are here. So these are logos for Twitter if you want to use any Twitter design. So that is that for that. So that's about element. Then text is the place where you could add text to your pictures. Then this background is if you want to change. Now the default background is white, so if you want to change to any color, you could use here any color, or you want to use any design here. Personally, I don't like this design, so I prefer my background to be in white or any other color, but these particular patterns, I don't like them. Then you can also upload pictures. So you just click on upload pictures, and just like you upload pictures to Facebook, you could do that, or you just drag and drop. If you drag, so you just drag and drop your picture here, and it will be loading, or you just click here, then you can, or you go to Facebook and upload picture, whatever way or means you want. So these are pictures I have uploaded. These are pictures I've uploaded to Canva, which I use for my design. So you can do that. So I want to start designing right now from scratch, so I have to remove this. I have to remove it, so I delete. Now let me look for a suitable picture. Let me get a suitable picture for this design. So I think we could use that. Let's not wait so much time. We could use that. So now for you to make this big, because if you should download this picture, it will be downloaded with this white background. So make sure you cover the white background. Make sure you click on, you hold shift, not control, hold shift, then you drag, then you click and drag. Remember, you hold shift and click and drag. You do same here, down. You do like that until the picture fills the white space, then you're done. Great. Then go to shapes. We go to shapes and we click on the square the square shape. Then this one does not necessarily require pressing your shift. Just use your key, your mouse to just drag it. Make sure it covers the image. I'll show you what to do. Then you change the color from white to black. That is depending on what you're doing anyway. I'm just showing what I do most of the time. Then you click on this particular image here. You see transparency, and you drag it. Are you seeing it? So let's leave it at 60. I think 60 is okay. Then we look for text, click text rather, and click add heading. Now it doesn't matter whether you use add heading, add subheading, add a little, whatever it is, you can always adjust the size and shape and everything. So it doesn't really matter. You can just click add heading, then change it. So how to design stunning graphics with Canva. So you drag it. Now this is the place where you choose the shapes, sorry, the font style. So this design is about graphics, so let me get something stylish. You could have a particular brand font, so to say, one particular font you use all the time. So when people just see your design, see your font, they'll just know, okay, this design is from you. Then you could change the size of the font to whatever you want. Resize it. So then you change the color. You change the color to white to be outstanding, like that. So see, it now looks very beautiful. Looks beautiful. Then I think the okay. Then you could actually change the color of a particular text. So let me change that to blue and see how it will be. Beautiful, beautiful. How to design stunning graphics with Canva. So I have my logo here. I have my logo here, so I just click on it. Then you go back to text. Go back to text, and you can add your name. You can add the the link or the URL of your site. I love doing that a lot, so that somebody could that's a way of promoting your website too. When someone see the design, the person will be able to see way that they could reach you or something. So if it's a phone number you want to add, fine. Whatever contact, for me is my website URL. I know anybody that visits here will get to know, know everything about me and what I do. So for you it might be adding phone number, Twitter handle, YouTube channel, whatever it is you want to add. Okay, so I have to change the color to make it outstanding too. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Now you can make it more beautiful than this. You just have to be creative with your design. So I have to do this as quick as possible. That's why I'm not spending so much time on design. So let me show you the different ways you could just go about with design. If you want to make a text bold, italic, this one is for alignment of your text. If you want to make it forward, front, back, or center. This one is for your uppercase. Then this one for spacing, if you want to space the text and a lot of stuff. Then this one, if you want to copy a particular thing, just click copy, and you see that. Have you seen it, that the whole text is just copied? So let me undo that, and then you can undo. If you make a mistake, you can undo anything you want to undo. So here I've shown you what it is, and this is how you control transparency. Then here, arrange, you could make something to go forward or backward. If I click on backward now, okay, let me use it on, let me use it here. So I could make that particular image go backward and back, sorry. See, it's back now. I take it forward, it's forward. So that's how you can control that. Then you can add a link. You can add a link. Let me use it here. So I could add a link, HTTP this one is really important if it's in your website. So if somebody clicks on this, it will take the pen to your page. I think this one works better on if the image is on your blog, or if you're making a presentation. So that's how you can add a link to it. If somebody clicks on it, if that was a presentation, I guess that works better. But if not, just do your normal design, and I've shown you how every other thing works. Then after your design, you click on download. Okay, for if you want your link to work, you choose PDF. So I think well, so for your link to work, you need to choose PDF. Yeah, it doesn't really have to work. Don't really care about if it works or not. So you just click on it, just click on the download, and ta-da, I started downloading, and you have your picture or your image, whatever you want to call it. So let's view it. Pardon, my system is very slow. So that is it. That is my image, and I can use it anywhere I want to use. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. That's the end of the tutorial. Now all you have to do is play with Canva, just try different stuff. Your first design might not be great, your second, third, fourth, fifth, you need to design. I've designed over 100 designs using Canva, so just have to design again and again and again and again, and you get better with practice. So get inspiration from other designs, from other persons, play around, and as time goes on you would become perfect. And of course your design just have to convey the message, the right message, and look presentable. Mind the way you combine colors. Those are things that are really important. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I remain Promise Excel of MaverickExcel.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more interesting tutorial like this. Keep it real. Thank you so much.